What's going on, YouTube? This is on my 89 GT Fox Mustang. Been watching a lot of videos trying to figure out how you get the engine harness from the passenger side disconnected from the ECU out. Wasn't sure if you got to remove the dash, you don't have to remove the dash. A lot of questions, didn't get a lot of straight answers. So this is a very brief video. Unfortunately, I didn't record it when I did so, but with a lot of persistence, it does come out. It will disconnect. It will come out of the pocket. So just to answer your questions, I'm in the middle of a restoration on mine, so hopefully this video helps. Like I said, I didn't do anything special. I just kept feeding it through there bit by bit, ground cable, etc., bit by bit, and then it did come out. So I hope this helps out some people. Just to answer the simple question, it is possible. It does work without damaging. So there it is.